Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we have a metal bumper case for the iPhone X and XS. This is made by LUPHIE, and here's the product. It's a very nice case. Here we have a cutout for the charging port, 2 screws on the sides. We have a power button, cutouts for the antennas, the mute switch, volume up and down, and the logo on the side. Now we're gonna pause the video and get the screws out and then put it on the phone. Alright guys, we just want to mention that this case comes with a screwdrivers and some extra screws just in case those get messed up. Now taking the phone, I want to get the top piece. As you can see, there's some foam on the inside so it doesn't get scratched up on both sides. Just want to mention that. And you get the phone and you slide it in like so. Wrong way. And then you want to get the bottom piece with the microphone and the speaker cutout facing towards you. And you put that on. Now, once you have this on, you want to take each screw, put that in there, just like that. And you take the screwdriver and you screw it in. First one done. We got one more on this side now. And there you have it. As you can see, it's a very nice device. Goes well with the metal bumper. The cutouts are perfect. See the buttons? There's a nice click on them. We have an easy to reach mute switch. No problem. We got a hole for one of the antennas. Empty up front. Doesn't really protect the camera that much, but you want to be careful with this because it's got an open back and you don't want to crack it. Overall, it feels very nice in the hands. Now we're going to pause it and get the black phone out to see how that looks with it. Now we're back with the black phone. Let's see how that looks. Here's the back. As you can see, it's a very stealthy look. Blacked out with a little bit of chrome on both sides and the screws. We definitely recommend this. You might get a hit on signals reception, but it's not a big deal. It's worth it. We haven't noticed much. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching.